Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I have ordered some electronics components from Hari's project. Let's unbox this and see what's inside it. Nice packaging. This is a 6 ohm 15 watt speaker. I ordered this speaker for my AI chatbot and some new project. These are some radial capacitor. This is CD4017B IC for controlling multiple LEDs using the same pin in Arduino. These are some resistors for connection of these ICs. This is a 1000 microfarad 63 volt electrolytic capacitor. These are also used in the IC. Here we got some new LEDs. In every pack there are 10 LEDs, green, blue and red. These are the 0.1 microfarad ceramic capacitors. This is also a 470 microfarad 40 watt electrolytic capacitor. These are some transistor, NPN transistor and PNP transistor for using as a switch in a digital circuit. We can also use this transistor as an amplifier in analog circuits. These are the diodes which allow current to flow only in one direction. And here is the main thing. This is MAX98357A amplifier. I ordered this amplifier to make AI chatbot using this speaker, and I want to show this. Using this this ESP32 module, some other component, and with the speaker and amplifier. And these are the main component. These are NRF24L01 module. I use this module to make signal jammer. There are some more components. These are the voltage regulators. Let's see. This is a 5 volt linear voltage regulator, and this is also a 5 volt linear voltage regulator. This is another IC, same as CD4017 decade counter IC. So these are the components which I order for my next projects. Soon I make a network jammer and AI chatbot. These two projects are my month target in August I definitely make these two projects to enhance my programming and hardware skills. These teeny components are going to turn into smart IoT devices, robotics project and embedded system. Make sure to subscribe the channel because I will be building exciting electronics project using these parts very soon. Thanks for watching.